have a factory double cardan shaft that I swapped in out of a V8 model. I have the Select Track transfer case in full time, but it does it in part-time or for low. That makes no difference. It makes no difference whether I'm on a slick road or a relatively dry road, whether I'm breaking the tires loose or have full traction. I'm going to get on the throttle, and you will probably hear it at first. As I really get into the throttle, it will go away, and then when I slow down, as I coast, you will not hear it much. Driving along at 20 miles an hour. Getting into the throttle, noise goes away. Braking, noise comes back. Throttling up. Driving along at 20 miles an hour. It does the same thing no matter what mile an hour I'm keeping steady at. Again, there's hardly any feel of vibration or rattling. Coasting now, foot off the gas, foot off the brake.